Another day in paradise. I'm seated across a beautiful soul, a vision of a tall iced glass of milk chocolate topped with caramel. How did I get here, I wonder? It was in the stars, written in the stars, one soul in two bodies, floating around the cosmos for eternity. A day in paradise is gazing into your beautiful eyes, your lips touching mine, building a new world together. My day in paradise is in the heart treasures you share with me every day, exploring the depths of our love. Sharing my life with you is more bliss than I could ever have asked for in 1,000 years. Today is just another day in paradise.